Are you over 80 and feeling like your strength is slipping away no matter what you do? Do you feel like walking upstairs, lifting groceries, or even standing for long periods is getting harder? Have you ever looked in the mirror and thought, where did my muscle go? You're not alone. After age 80, your body naturally begins to lose up to 1 to 2% of muscle every year, unless you take action. But what if I told you there's one food? Yes, just one simple food that can naturally rebuild your muscle, fight inflammation, boost energy, and even support your joints. And no, it's not protein powder or a synthetic supplement. It's a real, whole food. Delicious, nutrient-dense, and backed by science. That food is wild-caught salmon. Yes, wild salmon may be nature's most complete muscle food, especially for seniors. And in today's video, you'll discover why salmon works even if you're over 80, what makes it different from other proteins, how to use it correctly to rebuild strength fast, and a bonus tip at the end that can multiply the benefits overnight. Before we get started, do well to hit the subscribe button so you don't miss powerful health tips like this. If you've done that, let's get started. Let's start with a reality check. By the time we hit 80, we've lost up to half of the muscle we had in our 30s. That's due to a condition called sarcopenia. It causes thinner arms and legs, weaker grip strength, slower walking speed, trouble standing from a chair, and even falls, one of the leading causes of injury among seniors. Sarcopenia doesn't just happen. It's driven by several changes. Hormonal shifts, like decreased testosterone and estrogen, chronic low-grade inflammation, a drop in physical activity, and poor digestion of protein and nutrients. Here's the catch. Even if you're eating enough protein, your digestive system might not be breaking it down properly. With age, stomach acid decreases, along with key digestive enzymes like pepsin and trypsin. That makes it harder for your body to extract amino acids, the building blocks of muscle. This is why so many seniors lose muscle even when they think they're eating right. The solution? Choose highly digestible, bioavailable proteins with built-in anti-inflammatory and nutrient-boosting powers. And this is where salmon comes in. Wild salmon isn't just fish. It's a complete muscle-building formula from nature. Let's break down exactly why it works so well for seniors. Number 1. Wild salmon contains complete protein with high bioavailability. Each 3-ounce serving of wild salmon contains around 22 to 25 grams of complete protein. This protein is extremely bioavailable, meaning your body absorbs and uses it more efficiently than plant-based sources. That's critical after 80, when protein digestion slows and your body needs even more to maintain strength. In fact, research shows seniors need about 1.2 grams of protein per kilogram of body weight daily, much more than the average adult. Salmon helps you hit that number effortlessly. Number 2. It is rich in omega-3 fatty acids. This is where salmon separates itself from other proteins like chicken or beef. Wild salmon is loaded with omega-3s, especially EPA and DHA. Why does this matter? Because omega-3s help reduce muscle inflammation, improve muscle protein synthesis, protect joints from stiffness, and even improve mitochondrial function, your cell's energy engines. One 2015 study published in the American Journal of Clinical Nutrition found that seniors who consumed higher omega-3s built significantly more muscle and had less inflammation, especially when paired with light resistance exercise. Number 3. It's high in vitamin D for muscle function. Low vitamin D levels are linked to weak muscles and falls in seniors. Wild salmon is one of the few foods naturally high in vitamin D, providing nearly 100% of your daily needs in just one serving. This vitamin activates muscle fibers, and helps your body absorb calcium for strong bones. Number 4. It contains astaxanthin, the muscle-protecting antioxidant. Wild salmon has a powerful antioxidant called astaxanthin. It's what gives the fish its rich orange-pink color. Astaxanthin has been shown to reduce oxidative stress in muscle tissue and protect against exercise-induced damage. That means faster recovery and less soreness, even from daily movements like climbing stairs or walking. Now, you might be wondering, this all sounds great, but is there actual science behind it? Yes. Let's put this into perspective with a real-world example. Meet Nancy, an 84-year-old retired nurse from Oregon. She was experiencing constant leg weakness and difficulty lifting even small laundry baskets. Her doctor warned her that another fall could mean permanent disability. After working with a nutritionist, Nancy started eating wild salmon 3 times a week. She also added light resistance exercises using resistance bands and took magnesium before bed. The result? In just 8 weeks, her grip strength increased by 30%, her walking speed improved, and her leg pain decreased significantly. Nancy said the salmon made her feel nourished, energized, and stronger. No pills, no gimmicks, just food that works. And Nancy's story isn't unique. A 2019 study in the Journal of Nutrition found that seniors who consumed fish high in omega-3s had 30% more muscle protein synthesis compared to those who didn't. Another trial from Clinical Interventions in Aging showed that older adults who ate salmon twice a week had improved muscle mass, faster walking speed, and reduced joint stiffness. All right, how do you actually use salmon in your weekly routine? Let's talk practical steps. Here are 4 senior-friendly tips to get the most from salmon. 1. Eat 3 to 4 ounces 3 times a week. Just 2 or 3 servings weekly gives your body a steady stream of protein and omega-3s. If chewing is hard, try baked salmon fillets flaked into a soft mash, or mix with avocado for a creamy salmon salad. 2. Pair with muscle-friendly sides. Try combining your salmon with steamed greens like spinach or kale for magnesium, sweet potatoes for slow-releasing energy, avocado for potassium and healthy fats. These boost nutrient absorption and keep your muscles fueled and balanced. 3. Support digestion naturally. As digestion slows with age, help your gut break down salmon by adding a squeeze of lemon or apple cider vinegar, eating smaller bites and chewing slowly, avoiding cold drinks during meals, which can slow digestion. 4. Choose wild-caught, not farmed. Wild salmon, especially Alaskan or sockeye, contains more omega-3s and fewer contaminants than farmed fish. If cooking is a challenge, try high-quality canned wild salmon. Look for BPA-free lining or no-cook salmon pouches for easy meals. Now here's a bonus you'll love. Want to maximize the muscle-building power of salmon? After your salmon meal, take 250 to 400 milligrams of magnesium glycinate with a full glass of water, preferably in the evening. Why? Because magnesium helps activate enzymes involved in protein synthesis, and many seniors are deficient, especially those on blood pressure or heart medications. By combining magnesium with your salmon meals, you enhance nutrient absorption and recovery overnight, when most of your body's repair actually happens. Now let's wrap this up. When you're over 80, it's not just about building beach muscles. It's about maintaining your independence, balance, and quality of life. It's about avoiding the hospital from a fall, getting out of a chair unassisted, and feeling strong when you need it most. Wild salmon gives you high-quality protein, anti-inflammatory omega-3s, muscle-healing antioxidants, and vital nutrients for energy and strength. If you've never thought of salmon as a muscle food, think again. It may just be the most powerful food a senior can eat for strength, recovery, and longevity. So next time you plan your meals, remember this. When in doubt, go for the pink fish. It's not just dinner. It's strength on a plate. So what do you think? Will you be adding wild salmon to your diet? If you are already, then let us know your experience in the comments. Thank you for watching. Share it with someone who needs better health. And if you're over 60 and serious about aging well, staying independent, and protecting your health, subscribe to our channel. We've got more videos coming on how to protect your body, your brain, and your quality of life. Naturally. Don't go yet. Check out our videos on your screen and rebuild and maintain a better health before it is too late. Stay strong, stay healthy, and stay young at heart.